Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to DIY your own wall sconces. This is a rattan webbing wall sconces and it is wireless. First thing that you need is this round knitting frame and also rattan webbing. And then you'll be needing this wooden dowel. I got this from the hardware store, it's super cheap. Adhesives, this mini saw, spray paint, the color of your choice of course, cardboard, I chose black. Last but not least, you'll be needing this puck light. This is wireless and you can also control this using a remote, and also you can get it at Mr. DIY or Shopee. Alright, first you take your round wooden knitting frame and then you take it off from the inner side and the outer side, and this metal thing over here, we don't need it, we can throw it away. And then you take the inner side first and then we're going to cut this into half. So measure it into half and take the outer layer, put it back on and match the point where we're going to cut it. Now it is time for us to cut it into half using this mini saw. And as I mentioned, this metal part over here on the outer layer, we don't need it, we're gonna cut it. So this is the inner circle and this is the outer circle. Yes, they will become slightly smaller, and now you take the inner circle and put it as the outer circle. It will just snap into place like this. And now it is time to spray paint. I chose black to match the nightstand that I did. You can choose any color you like. Alright, now it is done. You can just snap it back into place and get your rattan ready. So cut your rattan according to the size that you want it. I already cut mine. And now you take the inner part, add your adhesive. Be generous with this one because we want this to really stick to your rattan. And then place it carefully and just wrap it around like this. And now you take the outer layer and then you put the adhesive on the inside part. Be generous with the glue to make sure it sticks to the rattan. And then you just snap it on from the front part. And now we're going to repeat the process for the bottom part. Now we're going to trim the excess rattan and make sure it is a perfect semicircle. And now we'll be needing the wooden dowel and make sure to measure the top part and the bottom part so we can cut it accordingly. And after that, we can spray paint again. I'm using black. This one I got from Mr. DIY. This is super fast curing. I love it so much. And now we're taking the wooden dowel and we're going to glue this on like this to make sure the side part it is straightened up, not indent towards inside. So we just add the glue on the top part and the bottom part, and yep, we are almost done, guys. And lastly, well, this is not lastly, this is almost the final step. You take the cardboard box and basically cut them accordingly to the back side of the wall sconce. And now we're going to glue this on top of the cardboard. Be generous with this one, we want to make sure that it sticks perfectly. And then take this super strong double-sided tape and tape it at the back side of the wall sconce to stick to the wall. And we are almost done, guys. Alright, so this one is the puck light. It uses AAA battery and you can use a remote control to control it, and also at the back there's an adhesive for you to just stick it on. Alright, so that's all from me for today's video. And if you guys love this kind of video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on so you will be notified every time I posted a brand new video. And also be sure to follow me on all of my social media, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all the links down below. And yeah, I guess that is all from me today, so bye!